In today's connected world, industrial IoT systems generate massive amounts of data every second. Turning this data into actionable insights requires real-time monitoring and intelligent visualization. A leading energy technology company needed a way to process and monitor high-volume telemetry data coming from multiple IoT devices. The data was often fragmented, duplicated, and difficult to analyze in real time, limiting operational visibility and decision-making. To solve this challenge, Blackcoffer developed a real-time ETL pipeline integrated with Grafana dashboards. The solution automatically ingests, cleans, processes, and stores IoT data while providing real-time monitoring through interactive visual dashboards. Data is collected from multiple IoT devices through Kafka streams, processed using Python-based ETL workflows, and stored in AWS S3 and MySQL. Grafana then transforms this data into real-time visualizations, enabling teams to monitor equipment performance, track trends, and detect issues instantly. Key features includes real-time monitoring dashboards, interactive data visualization, automated data cleaning and deduplication, equipment performance tracking, cloud-based data storage, analytics and reporting tools. The solution improved data accuracy, reduced manual effort, enhanced operational visibility, and enabled faster, data-driven decision-making across large-scale industrial environments.